You could be the leanest guy in the room and still have a round, puffy face. And if that's you, I need you to hear this, you're probably not doing anything wrong. Most guys with this problem are chasing the wrong solution entirely. Today I'm going to show you exactly what's actually causing your face to look the way it does, and 5 real ways to fix it. Pay attention, because most of this you've never been told. Step 1. Cut the bloat. Before you assume it's fat, stop. Because most of the time, it isn't. Here's what nobody tells you. When you eat too much salt, sleep badly, or don't drink enough water, your body starts holding on to excess water. And the first place that shows up? Your face. Your jaw gets softer. Your eyes look heavier. Your whole face looks rounder. And you wake up every morning thinking you need to lose weight, when the real problem is something you could fix this week. Drink at least 3 liters of water a day. Cut back on salty and processed food. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Do that for 1 week straight, just one, and your face will look noticeably tighter and more defined. No extreme diet. No suffering. Sometimes the glow up doesn't start with burning fat. It starts with stopping your body from drowning in it. Step 2. Reveal your structure. Now let's talk about real fat. And I need to clear something up first, because there's a lot of misinformation out there. You cannot spot reduce face fat. There is no exercise that burns fat specifically from your face. That's a myth, and it's wasting your time if you believe it. But here's what is true. When your overall body fat drops, your face is one of the first places you see it. That jawline you want? It's probably already there. It's just buried. The goal isn't to build a sharper face, it's to uncover the one you already have. You don't need to live in the gym. Stay in a small calorie deficit, not an extreme one, small. Eat enough protein to protect your muscle. Lift weights 3 to 4 times a week. Give it 2 to 3 months. Your body gets leaner, your face follows, and when it does, your natural structure starts showing up like it was always waiting. Step 3. Kill inflammation. Here's the one most guys completely miss. Alcohol. Chronic stress. Poor sleep. All 3 trigger inflammation in your body, and inflammation makes your face look swollen and heavy even when you're lean. Think about the morning after a rough night out. Your jaw looks softer, your eyes look puffy. You haven't gained fat overnight. Your body is just inflamed, and inflamed tissue holds water, and water hides definition. Fix it. Reduce alcohol. Manage your stress. Move your body every day, even a 20-minute walk counts. Protect your sleep like it's your most valuable asset. When the inflammation drops, your face definition comes back on its own. Sometimes your face isn't fat. It's just angry. Calm it down. Step 4. Frame your face. Fat loss takes time. But there are things you can do today, right now, that will make your face look sharper immediately. The right haircut, especially with tighter sides, can make your jaw stand out more overnight. Light stubble can add definition to a soft jaw. A clean, close shave can make your features look cleaner and more precise. It depends on your face shape, but both work when done right. And clear skin? That changes everything. When your skin looks healthy, your bone structure reads better through it. Your face looks more structured, more awake, more sharp, even without losing a gram. Start simple. A clean haircut that fits your face shape, a groomed beard or a neat shave, and a basic skincare routine, cleanse and moisturize, every single day. These things won't burn fat, but they will change how your face is framed. And framing matters more than most guys realize. Sometimes the difference between average and sharp isn't fat loss, it's presentation. Step 5. Presence. This last one is underrated, and it might be the fastest result on this entire list. You could have 12% body fat, and your face could still look soft if your posture is off. Slouched shoulders, head pushed forward, chin dropped, that compresses your neck and hides your jaw. It makes your whole face look heavier than it actually is. Fix it. Stand tall. Chest up. Neck aligned. Chin slightly tucked. Hold steady eye contact. That single shift changes how people see your face, instantly. Your jaw looks sharper. Your neck looks longer. Your whole presence shifts. Because nobody around you is calculating your body fat percentage. They're reading your energy, your posture, how you carry yourself. And presence beats percentage every single time. So there it is. 5 real reasons your face looks the way it does, and 5 actual fixes. Most guys spend months blaming genetics when the real problem is something they can change this week. The face you want is either already there, or one lifestyle shift away from showing itself. If this video helped you, subscribe, because more content like this is coming, and we're just getting started.
Hi.